Hi everyone, today we'll break down 3 music videos in 3 different styles: rock, rap, and Japanese funk. Let's watch them, and then I'll tell you how I made them using Seedance 2.0, which prompts and reference I used, and what my overall approach was. If you want to take a closer look at the workflow and each prompt I used to create everything, open FlashBoards, click on this Boards tab, then on this package icon, and that's it. It will be right here along with other boards, including the one from the AI film I recently posted on the channel. Let's get started.
Look at the level on that. Look at the devil on that. What? Look at the level on that. Yeah. Look at the bezel on that. Ice. She took the sugar a lot. Took it to top of the spot. Kicking the top of the yacht, the boat. Living on top of the year, top tier. Man, if I go to the top, go up. Popping and swapping it out. Swap it out. Dropping and swapping it out. Yeah. I'm on a mission to win. You know I'm setting the trend. Look at the money I spend. Cash. Don't wanna do it again. No way. Pick up the pace in the Benz. Tell them to stack it again. Stack it up. Tell them to stack it again. Stack it up. Tell them to stack it again. Yeah. Better make room for me. Room. Right to the moon for me. Moon. Better make room for me. Room. Try to make room for me. Hey. Right in the room with me. Hey. Pocket the money, boy. Track. Pocket the money, boy. Track. Pocket the money, boy. Track.
The music video looks so rich that I actually started checking my bank balance, just in case there was an extra million lying around too. It's made with quality, and I almost believed it wasn't all on credit. An amazing anime-style rock music video. The hero gets seriously injured, then rises up and wins the race. I'm just in awe of that fighting spirit. Cool Japanese funk music video. Girls seduce guys and smoothly steal their wallets in an alley. Stylish, rhythmic, really dope. So, the first and most important tip. The visuals in a music video should not literally match the lyrics. That's considered bad taste. Use imagery and associative sequences to make the viewer think about what the song is saying and what the artist wants to convey. Showing exactly what's being sung is boring and primitive. A good music video should complement the song, not retell it. It can convey the same mood, but in an unexpected way, giving the viewer something to think about or simply making it cool to watch. However, if in a rap video about money we show a lavish lifestyle, that's not bad taste, because it's not an illustration of the lyrics, but a demonstration of real success. Those things are part of the truth, not just a made-up video concept. Second tip for making a video with neural networks: references. First, create the images, color palettes, and other elements you want to show. I used Pinterest. I searched for pictures, then edited them using Nano Banana for later use, upscaling, changing aspect ratios. It's very important to include references in the prompt for Seedance 2.0 so that the AI understands which character or object is where and what they are doing. Third tip about lip sync in Seedance 2.0. In addition to images, we can also attach audio files of our song to the generation. However, Seedance 2.0 doesn't always recognize the words correctly, so it's also important to specify in the prompt the lyrics that are being sung in the audio clip. This is especially noticeable when the song has an accent or very fast rapping. Now, let's move on to the rap video about the rapper and his riches. As I said, I started by looking for references. After that, I polished them a bit with Nano Banana Pro. I made a collage of the main character, a shot of a Rolls Royce, a room with plants, an evening pool on a yacht, a diamond airplane, a view from behind the wheel of a Maybach, a penthouse in a skyscraper, and a safe room. Then I cut the track into pieces and generated lip sync scenes for each part. In the prompt, I added the words the main character should say. There's a small nuance. When the rapper is in the background, his outlines start to blur, so I often use this addition to the prompt, multifaceted close-up shooting, action scenes, to clearly show the rapper in the frame. I made transitions between scenes using the first and last frame. The main thing is to describe exactly how the transition should look. For example, the main character is lying in a pool on a yacht. The camera flies up through the clouds where the diamond plane is located. If we don't describe that, the transition will most likely look messy. After all the generations, it's time for editing, adding transitions, effects, and a bit of color correction. Render, and voila, the video is ready. I used exactly the same method for the rock music video. I used an associative sequence about a racer who finds strength, doesn't give up, and pushes through to victory. As references, I processed only 4 images: the main character, his car, his antagonist, and the antagonist's car. I made full-body collages of the characters, their heads, and collages of the cars from different angles. I described all the surroundings in the prompt in Seedance 2.0. Since this is an anime style, I also mentioned that in the prompt so the AI wouldn't drift toward realism. If you're making a video and don't know what to show on screen, ask a text-based neural network for help, like ChatGPT or similar. You give it the song's lyrics and say, come up with music video ideas that are interesting, not just literally showing the lyrics. Or more specifically, I'm stuck. The hero is singing about a broken heart. What should I show on screen? The AI will suggest metaphors, storylines, imagery, and cuts. I use this method myself, and I think it's fine. It saves time. By the way, videos that tell a story are easier to make. There's no lip sync, and you don't need transitions based on the first and last frame because the best transition here is a match cut. After all the generations, I simply edited the footage without any extra effects and applied a bit of color correction. Now, the Japanese Phonk video. Here, we used both visual storytelling and lip sync. As usual, I made collages of the main characters and generated individual elements to be used in the video. It's important to know, Seedance 2.0, like any other neural network, does not produce the same result twice with the same prompt. A small tip to save money on generation: if a particular shot turns out bad, regenerate only that shot, not the whole video. In editing, you simply replace the bad shot with a better one. Sometimes extra characters appear in frames or they are positioned incorrectly. So don't forget to include references in the prompt using input 1, input 2. That way the AI will know exactly which character is where and what they should be doing. If generating weapons gives you trouble, just add the word toy before the weapon. That should work. After generating all the videos, edit, apply a little color correction, and voila, another video is ready. 30% off every generation on Seedance, link in the description. Well, can you already feel production companies slowly turning their heads toward developing neural networks? A similar music video that used to cost $10,000 can now be made in a couple of evenings without leaving your chair for about $100. Think about that now, so you'll stay ahead of the game. Bye.